Why is it that every time you go to pull your fabric out of your machine, you end up with it jamming and you break the thread off and things are a big mess? Or you go to pull it out and you end up with like 4 different threads and you're like, where did all this come from? And then when you go to put it back in, now you've got a big mess and it jams and things like that. There's a trick I'm going to show you next. Do you ever find yourself sewing along and when you're ready to pull your fabric out, you lift your foot but nothing happens? And then when you do, you have all these extra threads and you're like, what's going on here? Well, this is caused by your thread take-up lever not being at the top of his throw. So how we fix this, I'll zoom out so you guys can see. Or zooming out. So as you can see, here's our thread take-up lever right here, and he needs to be all the way to the top. So you're going to turn your hand wheel towards you till he's all the way at the top. What that's going to do is it's going to tell the machine that it has completed the stitch, in which case it will release the threads. Zoom back in for you. Therefore pulling it to just 2 threads. So if you're ever having trouble with your machine, when you go to pull your thread out, make sure that your alien head is all the way to the top by turning your hand wheel toward you. And that will fix any of those problems where you go to, it's either stuck when you go to pull your fabric out or you get a whole bunch of threads and don't know why they're there.